My good mates over at Fisher & Paykel make this product. It's an external heated humidifier, the HC150, and it can be connected up to any CPAP machine to provide humidification. So I'll show you that now. All right guys, it's super simple to set up. Here's our water chamber. We're gonna fill this up with distilled water. Don't go above the max line there. Once it's filled up, we just push down, slot it into place. Then I'll get my little Z2 Auto out. I am gonna show you with the Air Mini as well because it's a little bit different. Here's my Z2 Auto. The pack comes with a little short tube. So this is a short tube here. One end goes into the Z2 Auto and the other end is going to go up, attached to the top of the device, like so. Can you see that? Right, so we have the Z2 running the small tube into the humidifier, and then we just get our other CPAP tube onto the other end. And then this end is going to go to our CPAP mask. All right, and that's how it is. Now at the front here we have a little knob, and we can increase or decrease the level of humidification as much or as little as we like. All right, so it goes up to a maximum of 4. Most people are going to be around 2 or 3. Pretty straightforward. And then this is the on-off button here. So on-off, on-off. It does also, if you like, come with this docking station that you can set up on your bed, and it's got some little screws, but basically you can run a screw in here and dock this into there. Right, so you can have this little docking station. I think it's pretty sturdy. Like, it does have some little rubber stoppers on the bottom to sort of stop it moving around, but if you're someone who does move around a lot in bed, you probably want to use the docking station there just to make it a bit more secure. Now, with the ResMed Air Mini device, they have the patented hose connection at the front here. So what we are going to use is this little product here. All the links are always in the description, guys. So this is a Zephyr CPAP hose connector. And this little connector enables you to connect any standard CPAP hose to the Air Mini. Normally you have to use the specific Air Mini hose. So basically it looks like this. All right, and we just connect it in like so. All right, and now with that we can now connect up our Air Mini to our heated humidifier system, and then we just use another CPAP mask onto the end of this one, and that is how you do it. Now if you like, what you can do is, instead of just using a standard tube here, you can get an external heated tube as well that has its own power supply. So now we have our travel CPAP machine, our integrated water-based heated humidifier, and then an external heated tube system with its own power supply. So we've basically turned our little travel setup into a fully fledged home-based unit. Pretty cool stuff, hey? And that's it. Now you can get these water chambers. These are the sort of the disposable ones. You use distilled water with them. You can get ones that have a stainless steel base, and then you can take off the base to clean and put them in the dishwasher and so forth. These are the cheapo ones, okay? Links in the description, guys. That's it.